Right now on DIY Gourmet, we're making breakfast sausage links. And do be aware, these are thawed breakfast sausage links, not frozen. The first step is going to be to preheat your pan on a medium to a medium-low heat for a few minutes to get it started and to get it warmed up. After that, you're going to put a tablespoon or two of cooking oil and you're going to heat it up till it shimmers a bit. Once it does, you're going to throw those sausage links right ahead in, and then once you get them in there, you're going to shake them around a bit. That way the oil gets coated all over the sausage links and doesn't just stay on the bottom. Now the bottom is a good place to start because it will get nice and brown, but you do want to have that oil coated throughout. That way your sausages don't pull one way or the other while they're cooking, and that's in fact why you give them good shake arounds and such, so that they don't get misshapen as they are getting cooked. Now, speaking of cooking, these sausages are going to take about 7 minutes in total over a medium to slightly medium-high flame. Now, you can take them a little bit of a hotter flame and reduce the time if you're careful about it, but to get them cooked throughout and to have them have a nice crispy skin without being burnt to heck, you definitely want to take about 6 or 7 minutes at the least with a nice solid medium flame. And after those 7 minutes, you're going to take 1 minute to let them rest at least, maybe 90 seconds if you're generous, and then go ahead and enjoy them as you please. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions in the sections below. Do it yourself, Gourmet, everyone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.